I am presently walking through Anandavana, which is supposed to be an urban forest created by the government of Orissa, over 90 acres of land near, very close to where I live in Bhubaneswar. Now, Bhubaneswar is the city of my childhood, where I have studied and lived my life with very happy times with my parents, my brothers, and family. So it's pure nostalgia for me to come back and to live in a city which has so much in store and a city which seems to be growing fantastically. I am a student of English literature and I love nature. I'm a big fan of Wordsworthian poetry and it fills me up with great excitement to be in the midst of forest. It's like a forest. Apparently it has no wildlife in it, but then I'm a little scared also because one does hear stories about snakes coming out after the rains, and there's been terrible amount of rain in the last 2 days, so I am a little scared. So with a little bit of thudding heart, I'm walking, I'm doing a brave thing. I've just had my breakfast at home and I've left my husband behind only because my husband would love to do this tour, but he will discourage me from going a little more distance than he wants to. So it's a good idea to leave him behind and do this on my own. Yeah, there are people around, so it is kind of safe to be here. I guess it seems a little archaic and antiquated to even think of safety when I've reached my age, 60 years old almost. But yes, there's no harm in being a little safe in life. These are people who are probably workers. This is an urban forest which is still in the making. See, look at this beautiful ant hill. A touch of color. It feels good. I feel good. I have recently come back from Singapore after there's no comparison to a beautiful country like Singapore. But then I'm glad India is taking these tiny steps towards a green environment, clean environment. Public toilets today seem much cleaner than they used to be once upon a time. I mean, one was filled with horror if one had to use a public toilet while traveling anywhere. But today, yes, there's a sense of comfort in knowing that, yes, it's not going to be as bad as it used to be once upon a time. That does not necessarily make me a Modi fan. I am a Modi fan to a large extent, but then I always like to have a balanced opinion. Not everything is bad, not everything is good. So one has to take it and move on. Now that's where the sound of urbanization comes through, because there are those tall towers coming up. I'm looking for flowers. I'm looking for a water body. I'm looking for a gazebo. I'm looking for a theatre, which apparently has come up here. I'm looking for a coffee shop where Orissa grown, Koraput grown coffee sells. So plenty to look forward to. See you soon again. Fantastic. First trip, yeah.
This is my second trip.
Do you like it?
Yours is first trip.
First trip, yeah.
You have come from? Going to Odisha?
Yeah, Odia Lokovan.
Odia Loka to
ଜଣା ପଡ଼େନି କିଏ ଓଡ଼ିଆ କିଏ ନୁହଁ।
ଆମର ଭିଡ଼ିଓ କରୁଛନ୍ତି ନା ମୁଁ କହିଲି
Now that's the way to the gazebo and the bridge over the water. I think a gazebo is where you sit, relax, and let's see what it is meant for. Yeah, it's nice. Very pretty. Nice bougainvilleas, beautiful colors. I am not so good in understanding Odia words. I do know Odia, I can write and read, but I don't know what Puskarini means. So maybe something to do with flowers, so we can figure out eventually. Lush greenery all around. And those pink flowers that you see, those are, I think, Kachnar flowers. Those Kachnar buds are used as an edible vegetable, uh, cooked and eaten with rotis. Supposed to be a delicacy. I have never eaten it, but then I have heard. Now this is probably what is called the amphitheater, where they stage performances of art and music and drama, maybe. And that's the footbridge. You cross it and you go to the other side of Anandavana. The axis of happiness. Yes, indeed, it is. It's giving me a lot of happiness being here. Now let's do the footbridge. And let's see how far I can go. Oh wow, what brilliant colors. As it is everywhere, the beginning is always more ornamented and decorated and enhanced, because that's where the impression is created. I wish life would be a little simpler than that, and a little more honest than that, because I don't see that much color inside. The outside is, yes, very vibrant, very colorful. That's not how it should be. You aim to make it an axis of happiness, then yes, make it happiness all over the place. But I guess they are trying. They are on the way, inching their way slowly towards that place. Now this is nice. This is a pretty place. The footbridge, and that's where I came from. And this is Madhumalati, the very, very fragrant creeper which grows all over the place. And look at the size of the money plant leaves, growing luxuriantly. And that's the main road over which the footbridge exists. A lot like Singapore, but yet we are going there, and that's a major step in itself, inching our way towards the better things of life. That's where I go down to the other side. 90 acres of land, 90 acres of forest land, which is slowly being converted into an urban forest right in the midst of a busy city. A city which is panting for breath, languishing in the absence of good air, fresh, the AQI, the much, the much talked about thing in today's time, air quality index. So this is a great effort to improve existence, and I'm glad we're doing it. Yet another gazebo. I smell something nice here. I wonder where the smell is coming from. A bit like Saptapurni. Saptapurni is a very well-known tree, the flowers of which are most fragrant, and apparently the wood has always been used for blackboards, because of which there is the word scholaris in its botanical name. There are some beautiful yellow colored bougainvilleas there, if you can see them. Yeah. Kusira Adhara. These are cashew trees. Cashew, Kaju Badam. I'm now headed towards the Koraput Coffee Cafe. It's not as if I have not tried Koraput coffee, but then that was during peak COVID times where trips to the market were limited. So I had discovered through Amazon Koraput coffee, and I had got myself a pack. So I'd like to try Koraput coffee right here. So let's see how it goes. These are huge ant hills, apparently. I don't know what they are supposed to be. But then I've always had a bit of fear for ant hills, because since childhood one has been told that that's where snakes live, or ants live, or whatever lives there is not really conducive to human safety. So that's how superstitions and myths and blind thinking goes, where you do not use rationality and you believe just what you're told. So there's one more here. They look so pretty, but I heard yesterday that Dokra is a form of art in Odisha, and the mud that is used in Dokra making is ant hill soil. I do not really know how far this is true, whether I am absolutely authentic, but then I'm just rambling because I have to speak. In fact, it is quite nice to speak like this, when you have no one to counter what you're saying. You just go on talking, rambling to yourself. I'm sure it is therapeutic. I'm sure it He's going to help me in some way or the other. So speak, talk, think, do yoga, breathe well, live your life well, love yourself. That's how life is. And be kind if you can. If you've been unkind in life, reverse your habits. Be kind, because everybody needs to be kind in this world. Lajakoli Lotta. Touch me nots. You touch them, they close up. Lajakoli Lotta, which means a vine or a trail of plant which becomes shy if you touch it, and it closes up. Nuances of patriarchy and feminine subordination through nature, through nomenclature, through naming of plants also. The reeks of politics, subordination, oppression. So pretty, these berries, red and black berries. Nature is the antidote to exhaustion. Oh wow, this is a library. Keep the books in order. I wonder what books they have in here. J.P. Das, Sundar Das, Nrsimha Tripathi stories. Asagaiba. And it's open. How trusting. Great cultural improvement. ଏବେ କଫି ମିଳିବନି? କଫି ବନ୍ଦ ବନ୍ଦ କେତେବେଳେ ଖୋଲେ?
सुबह 5 बजे, 5 5:30 बजे खोलते
फिर बंद हो जाते हैं? कितने बजे बंद हो जाते हैं?
10:30 11।
हाउ सैड। और निकलने का रास्ता कहाँ से है?
मैडम ये सीधा
गेट 4 निकलना है।
और ये साइड अंदर जाके
हाँ
सीधा जाना है।
हाँ।
वो एम्ब्रेस
इस तरफ ही जाना है। यहाँ से जाएं तो ठीक है,
हाँ हाँ हाँ।
ये वाला रास्ता।
हाँ। और ये बाएं तरफ जाए तो 1 नंबर पाएंगे, नहीं तो दाएं तरफ जाइए।
ये दाएं, मैं
हाँ।
ये इस तरफ जाऊँ ना?
हाँ हाँ
खाली रास्ता होगा?
हाँ, खाली रास्ता सीधा जाना है मैम, ठीक है।
अच्छा।
नहीं तो बीच में वो जो छोटा छोटा रास्ता है
हाँ।
अंदर जाने के लिए, वो नहीं है।
सीधा ही जाऊँ?
सीधा जाए
थैंक यू।
एकदम 4 नंबर आईपीसी एक और सिक्योरिटी गार्ड ऑफिस मिलेगा उसके बाद।
अच्छा अच्छा। Yogasana, place for doing yoga. Nice place. That's a beautiful bird, dark colored, long tailed, very pretty. I don't know enough about birds to name them, but I wish it would come a little closer. That's an interesting tree. Looks like eucalyptus to me. The leaves are a little too grey. Eucalyptus leaves, if you wet them and you rub them against each other, it creates a kind of froth, which used to be a very exciting plaything when we were kids. But I wonder whether this is eucalyptus or no. Now, my opinion after this visit to Anandabana, very exciting, great idea, and the fact that it is very close to where I have a place to live in makes it all the more attractive. But there's far to go. I think they still need to do quite a bit to make it of international standard. Not that I know much of international standards, but then one, there is YouTube, there is internet to get glimpses into the outside world, and we have far to go. But then if we are making an effort, we're going there. I'm so glad we're doing that. Something nice smelling, and I hear footsteps around me, and I think I've reached the end of my trail. I didn't go to the other side as much as I would have liked to, because I think this is enough for the day. I think I've done about, how many steps have I done? Let me see. Yeah, maybe I will get some coffee here. That place was closed. No luck. They have closed down. The timings are 5:30 in the morning to 11, and again I think they start at 2:30 to 5:30 or so. So those who want to come visit, do come. It's a nice place to walk around in, and the best part is that there's a lot of greenery, to get away from the life of mechanical existence. It's a good idea to come here. Thank you. See you again.